Attorneys for a condemned Texas man argued before the Supreme Court their client was the victim of racial bias during his trial. Dwayne Buck was convicted for the 1995 murders of his ex-girlfriend and another man in Houston. His attorneys don't dispute his guilt, but say during Buck's 1997 trial, a defense psychologist submitted a report suggesting he was more likely to commit violent crimes in the future, a prerequisite for the death penalty in Texas because he is black.
The claim at issue is an absolute express appeal to racial bias.
Christina Swarns is Buck's attorney.
That's indefensible, it's incomprehensible that his own lawyers introduced that, and it's unconstitutional.
Texas Solicitor General Scott Keller agreed the evidence was not okay, but said Buck would have gotten the same sentence.
I feel it was not justice.
Phyllis Taylor is Buck's stepsister and the sole survivor of the shooting. She says Buck was under the influence of drugs and has proven he deserves to live.
He's been locked up right at 21 years with no write-ups, and I think that speaks volumes.
If a majority of the 8 justices agree that Buck's counsel was ineffective, the Texas Attorney General could give him a new sentencing hearing or allow him to spend the rest of his life in prison. Swarn says the case could resonate for other racially charged cases.
It's really important for the Supreme Court to say when that kind of evidence is put into a courtroom, it's unacceptable.
The Texas legal team left the court without speaking to reporters and has not responded to our request for comment. Paula Reid, CBS News, the Supreme Court.